Hey guys, so in today's video, me and Justice over here, are heading to West Virginia to go buy a new engine for the Mustang. If you guys have seen the last video, you guys know the Mustang just blew up. So I'm not playing around anymore. I'm tired of losing. We're going to West Virginia. We're buying a rebuilt engine. Yeah, let's do it. We gotta go get some food, get some gas, and get some money, because that's gonna suck. Where? What's poppin'?
Brand new whip just hopped.
Okay, fellas, ladies and gents, we just got us some Tasty Sheets food. Get some gas, you know. Any words to the people?
Steak wrap.
And we'll be there in like 2 hours, so should be cool. Justice is gonna film a nice montage on the way there.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries.
Alright guys, so we just got the engine from a dude named TJ. TJ, super nice guy if you're watching this, thanks man. Nice West Virginia man, rebuilt this entire engine for us, and it's sitting in the back of the truck right now. So we're gonna go home, build the fastest small block Ford in the world, and put it in the Mustang. And he gave me some headers too, so like, win-win. Shout out to TJ. It really doesn't get much better than that. What do you think, Justice? What do you think?
I think it was a very solid effort by everyone involved.
Pretty successful.
Including myself.
Like, we picked up an engine by ourselves. Like, I mean.
Yeah, y'all don't, it was an 800-pound engine.
Yeah.
It was made for a Mack truck, and we just picked it up.
It's a big deal.
Me and Eric, no warm up, and put it in the back of the truck.
What can I say?
Yeah.
Anyway,
I think I held most of it, but.
Anyway, guys, we're on the way home. Talk to you guys in a bit. Hopefully nothing too eventful will happen on the way home, but it probably will. Hey guys, so we managed to finally get back home. We've got the engine block here. I went ahead, taped everything up. We're gonna go ahead and paint this thing blue, because I'm not a big fan of red, to be honest. I've had a lot of red cars, and I'm just not a big fan of the color. So we're gonna go back with a Ford Racing blue. It's like a dark blue. We're gonna go ahead and paint this thing. And last night I went ahead and took the old engine completely apart. Everything's sitting here. We're gonna end up reusing pretty much everything since it was rebuilt off the old engine. And we've got the 65 little Fiona over here. Went ahead, took the hood off. Engine is out. We are ready for the new engine to go back in here. So I've been very busy lately. I was up to about 2 a.m. last night getting that done, but we're gonna go ahead, knock this paint out, get this thing painted so it can dry, and then all the assembly and stuff comes. But let's go ahead and paint this thing, and we'll see how it turns out.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my boss.
Just wrapped up painting the engine. It turns out phenomenal. You guys, I didn't get to film a whole lot on the way down, but basically we went and bought this engine and it was red. So I'm not putting a red engine in this car, especially with the blue heads and everything. So we just went ahead and repainted everything blue, and it looks great. Super happy. And we went ahead and repainted the oil pan. So I know you're not supposed to paint. You're supposed to paint within like 60 degrees, but we're kind of desperate right now. We got a little heater on, letting this thing dry. It'll be fine. Like I said, we're gonna put all the old parts from the old engine on this engine. If anyone's interested in a block for a 302. That's for sale. That engine's good to go. We're gonna be putting all this stuff on there. Next video, not in this video, but I'm gonna go to the gym right now, and then when I get back, this thing will be dry, and I'm gonna start assembly, putting all these goodies on that engine and putting that engine in that car. So that should be really cool. Hopefully, I think I can get it all done tonight, honestly. Mike! We'll see. I mean, I've had to take this engine apart. Like, this is the third engine I've put together, or I guess it's the second time we put it together. Hopefully we get the car running good and driving good. I'm really excited about it. I'm just so tired of having this car down. Like, I'm paying insurance on a car that's just sitting, but hopefully we can get our girl back on the road. She sits here. She's so sad. She just wants to be back on the road. But, we'll see, guys. Hopefully this time we can get it right. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys next video, which should be soon, but it's gonna be in like 2 hours for me. But I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys a ton for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please like and subscribe. You know what to do. Anyway, talk to you guys later. See ya.